You see this movement? Something looks like a bear. This is one of the movements in bear section. This basically will focus on working our spleen and stomach. This is for organs related or emotion of worry or anxious. So let me quickly show you how we're going to do this right here. So first, you're going to be inhale, then exhale, sinking down. Let the breathe energy stay in your stomach area. Then you inhale, exhale, sinking down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Then change the other side. Inhale up, exhale down. But focus keep there. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down, and then inhale, exhale. The main things you have to focus your organs area, spleen and stomach. So keep the mind and thought in here. Focus, use the motion to active, access this area. Just like a bear. Oh, unfold like this. Okay, so this will help you, helps you.